Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making custom birthday cards. You can find templates for these in the description. I recommend that you print these on cardstock or the blank side of a piece of scrapbook paper and save the scraps. You'll also need colored pencils, some paper craft glue, some glitter, a glue stick, a bone folder, some rollerball pens or some gel pens, a paper cutter, some scissors, and some colorful cardstock. I'm going to start with the alpaca card template. I already have this cut to size. It's going to end up being a 5x7 card when it's folded. I'm just going to get out my colored pencils, pick out a few colors, and color in this alpaca. Now I want to use the bone folder to make a crease so we can fold this card in half. My paper cutter has a guide for that, but if you don't have a paper cutter like mine, you can just use a metal ruler to create a straight edge for the bone folder. Alright, we've got our card folded, and as you can see I used scrapbook paper with a nice pattern inside. Now because of that pattern inside, I want to take a light colored sheet of cardstock and cut that so it fits inside the card and gives me a space to write. Once that's glued down, I want to focus my attention back to the front of the card and use some of the scraps that I saved from earlier to decorate the front. And that brings me to my last step for this one, and it's to add the glitter. So I'm going to use the paper craft glue and just put that on one of the stripes of this blanket on the alpaca. Just going to rub it around with my finger to get in all the little corners of this shape that I've drawn on here. I just want to make sure I don't cover up any of the other designs, so I'm wiping away any excess glue. Alright, and then I'll sprinkle the glitter on top of the glue and press it down. Get rid of the excess, and then just clean up the edges with my finger. And that's the alpaca card. So now I'll move on to the cactus birthday card. And this is going to be very similar to the last one. So I'm going to follow the same process and start by coloring it in. Alright, with that done, I'm just going to crease this card as well, fold it. This is also going to need the light sheet of paper inside. And then for the outside, since my smaller sheets of cardstock paper are too small to put a strip down the side. I'm just going to use the patterned piece, and this one will be all set. The pens are really just to write the message on the inside, and I don't have a plan for who these are going to yet, so I'll just leave them fairly blank for now. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week.